Hi friends, let's go through a few key exercises to reestablish strength and stability to our core muscles. Let's try it from a chair, so find a nice neutral spine, making sure your feet are flat on the floor, and we're going to go through our 360-degree breathing. Bring your hands to your rib cage for feedback, and as you inhale, breathe fully 360 degrees into the rib cage while keeping your shoulders relaxed. As you exhale, feel your transverse abdominis, your TVA muscles, the core set muscles, and your pelvic floor contract as you breathe. So inhale, you have an expansion of the rib cage, front, back, and sides. And on the exhale, the breath drives the contraction, not the other way around. Inhale, relax the shoulders, no tension in the neck. Rib cage expands, pelvic floor is relaxed, core is relaxed. As you exhale, your belly draws in, your pelvic floor lifts. Feel that strength. Continue to cycle through these breaths. And as you do, feel the connection of the three different areas of the core, the diaphragm, the TVA, and the pelvic floor, all working together. Bring your attention and focus to restoring that connection and strength, knitting these muscles back together after they've gone through so much. Now let's add a second challenge here, the two-step exhale. So we're going to further challenge our core set muscles by emphasizing a stronger exhale and breaking it into two parts. So inhale into the rib cage and then the exhale is stronger here. Can you feel it? Inhale and exhale. Inhale, nice and strong exhales. Don't forget the pelvic floor lift. So we're inhaling and exhaling. Take some time to get that coordination of the squeezing of the TVA along with the lift of the pelvic floor. That's why it's so important to practice this breathing for a few minutes a day while you reestablish your foundational core strength. Those are two of our key core recovery breaths. And you can do these exercises like we are seated now. You can also do them on your back or in a tabletop position on hands and knees.